If you want to claim a voucher code on Binance, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. It's simple and everything happens right inside the app. Start by opening the Binance app and logging into your account. Make sure it's updated so all the latest menu options show correctly. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner to open your account menu. Scroll down and select the Reward Center. This is where Binance stores all your vouchers, bonuses, and promotional rewards. Inside, you'll see your available vouchers listed. If you have an active one, tap the claim button and it will automatically apply to eligible actions like trading rebates, cashback, or crypto credits. If you received a voucher code manually, tap redeem inside the reward center, enter the code carefully and confirm it. The reward will be added to your account immediately. Some vouchers come with expiration dates, so always check the time limit to avoid missing out. And that's how to redeem voucher codes on Binance. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.